This is some of the highlights of our Christmas party 2025. Happy New Year!
Special time of love, joy, and sharing. Be kind to one another, help those in need, and always speak the truth. Remember to say thank you, respect your elders, and spread smiles wherever you go. May this Christmas fill your heart with happiness and peace. Merry Christmas.